Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really quick project share for you. This is mainly for our Sanrio swap, of course. So anyway, the ladies had a choice of characters that they would like to craft with, and I left it up to them and their swap partners to make sure that they both agree on what characters they want to do for each other. And so I'm making a tag flip, or I made a tag flip. I just haven't embellished it yet. And I just want to share what I did. So really quickly, I made these tags from my Cricut. So I used, again, the images from Google and upload it to my Cricut Design Space. And there I used the offset option and then just created a circle for the Cricut to cut a hole for a tag. And I used a simple binder ring, and I received these colored metal binder rings from a friend. So these are printed on the Walmart glitter printable glitter cardstock. It is cardstock. It's a nice quality. I haven't done anything to it. All I did was loaded it up to Design Space, gave it 2 offsets, printed it out, and then my Cricut cut it out for me. So this is the first one. It's just a simple image, and didn't put anything on it. And then this one was the very first tag that I made. This was an image from the Google images, free images. I printed it out, and on here I just added the offset. You can see it's not perfect, but it's still cute. And with this one, because it was the first one, I made this 4 times, and then I was like, that's kind of plain. So that's where these other images come to play. So I added those as other tags. And then on the bottom here, I just added some text, and it's just the name of our swap, Eileen Sanrio Swap 2024. So here is another image, and then I added another text. This was just a straight image with no text. I used Cricut Design Space text that's available when you buy the subscription with Cricut. And so this was already in there. I don't remember the name of the font, but it's there. So I did the word, I did an offset, and then I combined it with the image and then made the offset and then flattened all of that and then added the last offset, which is the blue. So instead of making layers on layers, I just flattened the whole image, print, and then put it through the Cricut to cut it out. And yes, I used the Cricut to cut the circles out on the top. So this is just a repeat. So every other just has the repeat. And then here's another image. It was already set just like this. All I did was use the offset. The word Sanrio was already a part of this image. And then I just did the final offset, which is the blue on the very outer edge. So that was the last one. And then this was also a Google image again. But this was an image that was for your phone background. I still saved it, and I printed it out, and I used the shaped tag from the Cricut Design Space, added it to this background. This is another layer here, the yellow. And then I added the final border on the outer edge, which is the blue. And that's what created my tag. This is the text I added. I just put always sunny side up. I didn't know what else to put. So I was like, figured eggs, sunny side up, yellow, everything's nice and bright and happy. But that is the last of the tags. And with these tags, the ladies have the option to add the goodies to it. My idea was to either add a goodie to the back of my tag or use a pocket letter the clear acetate, and just sew around the outer edge with the clear, and then add it to make a pocket. So something like this. Let me show you. I haven't done it yet. I just wanted to come up here and make sure I shared how my brain was processing this. So, you know, you don't use this whole thing. You just cut off a piece and then use just a single layer if you'd like to create a pocket. And it's clear so that once it's off, you know, when your pocket is empty, you can still see the image, or you could add the pocket to the back just like this and just stitch around and leave the top open so that you can put your goodies in, or just use, like I said, use a single layer of plastic, and that will give you a pocket still. So you just simply stitch around the outside edge, or if you have like the page protector, the full sheet, that would be a better way so that you could completely stitch around the edge of the back of your tag. So that's just another way. This is not the only way. This is just how I'm using the free images off of Google and creating my tag flip. So really they're only required to make four tags, and then having their either adding goodies on it or just fully decorating your tag and leaving it empty with no goodies, because they're going to load their caddies with whatever extra goodies they want to share with their swap partners. The only real requirement for the tag flip is to make sure that you put your labels on there. You just need it on one. This is something I just, you know, I've been using this whole year. Made this sticker with the Cricut Design Space. Just uploaded a free image again from the website, and then I added my text with my name, my info, and because my name is my Instagram and my Instagram and YouTube, I just have to put my name on it. That's it, period. Oh my gosh. And now I can't get the paper off. This is just printable sticker paper, guys. All over Amazon. Super inexpensive and very easy to use. A lot of the times it'll tell you, there, just like that. It's at least a little more center, but you get the drift. Very easy tag flip. Just wanted to come and share that with you. So now I'm creating along with them, or not with them, but I'm creating along with the checklist, because I'm going to make the caddy soon so that all my goodies will be able to fit into my caddy. I want to make all my stuff first so I can see how big I need to either one, buy one and alter it, or two, make one from cardstock. So I don't know why I keep fussing with that. But anyway, the tag flip is done. For me, as far as for me, because I'm not a part of the swap, I'm just, you know, the organizer. That's what I would do. I would add some, probably some seam binding to match the color family. It doesn't have to be exact, but, you know, just to add some stuff on there. I'd probably add a dangle with the seam binding. And then I will move on next to our, what is it called? Embellishment box. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. It is free to join our crafty family, and then hit the notification bell. That way you know when I load new videos or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you again, and I will see you next time. Bye.